Hello, my dear beloved students. First of all, please take my heartiest love and congratulations, and of course, take my bow. And what I say, just look at this point, just look at the view, outstanding and marvelous. Uh, very, very so sweet. What I say, I am totally speechless. So, if you want to make your mind fast, you can come here with your dash dash dash. uh, just I'm enjoying here, and to be honest, this is the real beauty of the beautiful nature. So what I say, just let me show you beautiful things. Just 1 minute. Oh, sorry. Okay. How sweet it is. Bah. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. No doubt about this matter. Excellent, excellent. I will give 100 out of 100. Such an amazing place. You can come here with your dash. Look at this. How sweet. I think there is someone who is coming towards me for cultivating. Wow, how sweet it is. Totally, totally, I'm speechless. Okay, see you tomorrow. Love you.